Hey everyone, it's Elaine, and welcome to the experimental station. A little while back, one of the ladies at that Alabama retreat had this tool, and what we were doing, I was going to see if I could find it. Yeah, here it is. We had a little class on making boho beads. Well, I had never done it before, and the pin already had one loop on it. And after you added your bead and you wrapped your cloth and wire and everything, you needed to loop off the other end to hold it all in place. Well, that was all new to me. And I have those jewelry, I don't know what they're called, where you can wrap the wire and the tool is rounded. It's got the round prongs on it, so it keeps it round. But she had this little tool, and I had never seen one before. So the other day I was thinking about it and I said, I've seen people do those paper clips with the loops on them, and I wonder if I could do that. So I just got some paper clips at work and started playing. The one thing that I noticed that I did not like is if the loop rubbed up against another wire on the paper clip. So I started playing and I think I might have it. I haven't practiced a whole lot. But then, and let me see where my other beads are. Here we go. Hold on a second. You think I have my ducks lined up. I said, I really like those paper clips. It is just a simple paper clip, but it means we're upcycling something and making it prettier. So then I have these mosaic round tiles. Excuse the glue all over my hands here. And they come in all kinds of colors and designs, and you can get huge bags and little bags. And I've had these for a little while. When I got them, I was just going to use them, as like a little embellishment on something, or maybe the center to a flower. And I have them like this so that the paper clip stays level while it's drying. Now, I did not do anything to the back. They come with this white finish on the back. So I just left that. I might, end up after the glue dries, I might distress them a little bit. I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to do. But here are the paper clips. I just got some gold ones. And I'm, excuse me. Excuse me. I really have to think about this when I do it. It is so funny to me. So I'm going to try this live here on this channel. When you stick it in, and I'm going to try to do it where y'all can see it. When you stick it in, it has to kind of go to the other side of this piece right here. Your wire has to go. But this other part of the paper clip has to be high enough that it doesn't get crimped. So here we go. And I'm hoping I'm doing this in the right direction. What in the world am I doing wrong? Hold on a second. I've done something wrong here. All right, here we go. If you have the wire too much, and that's what that just did, and you can't hardly see it, but it was a little bit sticking out a little bit farther than it needed to. So there is my first one. Now, excuse me, sometimes too it'll get, because you do have to have the paper clips a little wonky. Sometimes you'll have to straighten it out. Now in this case, I want to try to do this one, and you gotta excuse me here, in the same direction. So I Like I said, I've not done this a whole ton. So I'm going to put that wire in there and keep the rest of the paper clip out of the way. And there we go. So that's not too bad. Every once in a while, your paper clip, depending on if you do the inside piece, excuse me, if you do the inside piece up or down, and then now I will just take one of my beads, and I'm going to dump these out here, and I hope you can see. I'll dump them in my hand, because then I can bring that up to the camera. There are all kinds, like I said, of designs. And yeah, I got them on Amazon a long time ago, and I will see if I can find out in my purchased items the ones that I got, and I will tag them down below. But there is, like I said, all kinds of designs. And then I just use Fabri-Tac on the back of it because I knew for sure it would dry clear. And I like it that this is a little clumpy kind of coming out. It allows the paper clip to kind of have something to grip onto. So anyway, so that's my little paper clip, fancy little paper clip. And like I said, then I'll just glue one of these to the top of it, and there will be. So I do appreciate you coming by. I'm going to ask you to subscribe and give me that thumbs up on my little paper clip. And I will see you all down the road. You behave. Till we meet again. Bye.